Hello mga kamami JC! Good morning! It's Sunday once again at andito na naman po ang inyong Mami JC, always excited to serve you! Today, I'm so excited dahil ang lulutuin natin ay napaka-healthy. Patok na patok ito sa mga nagda-diet. Ngayon, ang lulutuin natin ay stir-fried chicken and shrimps veggies. By the way, stir-frying is a quick and easy method of cooking that requires only a small amount of oil and was first developed in China. And it results in tender, crisp vegetables that retain more nutrients, kaya siya healthy. At yan ang ating lulutuin today. So ano na? Handa na ba kayo? Now, let me introduce to you our ingredients for our stir-fried chicken and shrimps veggies. First, we have here our minced garlic, and then we also have here our sliced onions, and we also have here one of our main ingredients, our chicken breast. So, hiniwa ko siya ng pa-cube. And then, we also have here our shrimps. No, deveined na ito, so malinis na ito. And then, we also have here our broccoli. And then, we also have here our button mushrooms. And then, we also have here our red bell peppers. At eto, we have here our sesame oil, Lee Kung Kee sesame oil. And then next, we also have here our Mrs. Dash salt-free all-purpose seasoning. And then we also have here our mirin. And then, ang magpapasarap sa ating chicken and shrimps stir-fry veggies, ang ating Lee Kung Kee stir-fry sauce. Okay, so nakahanda na lahat ng ating ingredients, so wag na nating patagalin pa. Now, tayo na magluto ng stir-fried chicken and shrimps veggies. So, this is now our wok. Lalagyan natin siya ng konting sesame oil and make sure na mainit ang wok natin bago natin sisimulan ang pagluluto. Okay. So, ito na. So, make sure na mainit siya. Kasi yun ang style ng stir-fry. Dapat mainit na mainit ang oil. Okay. So, ang bango-bango ng sesame oil. Okay. So, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating minced garlic. Okay. After our garlic, isusunod natin ang ating sliced onion. So, tingnan ninyo, umuuso kasi talagang mainit na mainit ang wok. Dapat talaga mainit na mainit siya, no? Then, after ng ating garlic, isusunod na natin ang ating sliced onions. Super bango ng sesame oil. Okay, at of course, magdadagdag siya sa masarap na lasa ng ating stir-fried chicken and shrimps veggies. Okay. So, tignan ninyo, konting-konti lang ang oil na ginamit natin. So, after nung onions at garlic natin, pwede na natin isunod kaagad ang ating chicken breast. Tingnan ninyo, no? Umuusok talaga kasi mainit na mainit ang wok natin. Then, maya-mayang konti, pwede na natin isunod ang ating shrimps. So, after 2 minutes, pwede na natin isunod ang ating shrimps. So, pagkatapos ng shrimps, pwede na nating lagyan ng Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning. Dadamihan natin para siguradong masarap na masarap. Ayan. Then, hahaluin natin. Then, lalagyan natin ng mirin. So, mga 4 to 5 tablespoons of mirin. Okay. Then, tatakpan natin ang ating chicken and shrimp. We will add a little salt. Okay. Hahaluin natin. So, maya-mayang konti, pwede na nating isunod ang ating veggies. So, ito, pwede na to. Pwede na nating ilagay ang ating veggies. First, we will put our button mushrooms and then isusunod natin ang ating broccoli and then ang panghuli ang ating red bell peppers. So this is now our stir-fried chicken and shrimp veggies. O tingnan ninyo, very colorful. Maya-mayang konti, pwede ko na itong ilagay sa serving plate natin. Ayan, tignan niyo. Ang ganda ng color. Pinaghalong red, green, orange. So, very attractive. Siguradong magugustuhan nito ng asawa ko kasi nagda-diet siya ngayon. Ayan. Then, tatakpan natin ng mga 30 seconds. Lalagyan natin, dadagdagan natin ng konting sesame oil. Ayan, tingnan ninyo. O, diba? Very attractive. Ayan. Hindi na natin kailangang magpunta sa Chinese restaurant o kung wala tayong budget, sa bahay na lang. So, mas makakatipid tayo kung sa bahay lang. So, ayan, pwede na to. At eto ang star ng ating stir-fry veggies, ang likumki stir-fry sauce. Ayan. Kanina nilagyan natin ng salt, ngayon ang ating stir-fry sauce. Likumki stir-fry sauce. Okay. So, tatakpan natin ng mga 30 seconds, then pwede na. O mga kamami JC, narito na! Luto na ang ating stir-fried chicken and shrimps veggies. Tingnan ninyo, makulay na makulay. Sosing-sosi at mabangong-mabango dahil sa ating likumki sesame oil. O ayan, no? Gutom na kami, kakain na kami. O ayan, pwede ninyong subukan at ang inyong mapatunayan. So ayan, no? Very colorful ang ating ulam for today. So, narito na mga kamami JC, luto na ang ating stir-fried chicken and shrimps veggies. At kung nagustuhan niyo ang ating video today, please do not hesitate to leave your comments. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please watch, click like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates. Once again, this is your Mommy JC na nagsasabing, always express your love through food. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone.